Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you're clumsy like me and you're dropping your hard drive on the floor like I do all the time, you're gonna need a nice case to protect it. This is the hard drive carrying case by Lacdo. What I like the most about it is that it is waterproof, so no matter where you're going, if you're spilling drinks or anything, your information will be safe. It has anti-shock bubble protection, both at the bottom and on top of where the hard drive goes. So you can tell right away that your hard drive is gonna be very well protected. It's gonna be sleeping in a bubble. And it also has some pockets for your memory cards. As you can see, I lose those guys all the time. So it's very nice to have them in this spot and they don't slide down. As you can see, they really don't move around. So it's very convenient. So you can rest assured that your hard drive is going to be safe. So if you're looking for a very good quality carrying case for your hard drive, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.